Hello children, welcome to the SST class. Children, now we'll discuss about a new chapter, chapter 8, that is water. So in this chapter we'll discuss about the importance of water, why we need water. Okay. So we need water to live. We drink water when we are thirsty. Water is very essential for our life. Without water we cannot survive or we cannot live. We need water for many other things we do every day. We need water for cooking, bathing, washing our clothes and utensils. Plants and animals also need water to live. So children, all living beings, may be plants or animals, all need water to live. Here you see in this picture some activities you see. We need water, okay, for wash utensils, for drinking, okay, for watering the plant. Where do we get water from? We get water from rain. Rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, ponds and streams. So the important source of water is rain. But we can get water from rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, wells. Okay. Then some of the rainwater goes into the ground. The water from the ground is called underground water. We get this water from wells and hand pumps. Here you see this picture. This is hand pump and this is well. We must always drink clean and safe water. Drinking unclean or impure water can make us ill. The water in the rivers is cleaned before it is sent to our homes. The water we get from our taps should be boiled before drinking. Okay? Boiling kills the disease germs that may be present in the water. So children, we know in water so many disease making bacteria or germs are there. So if we boil the water, then we drink, this water is safe for our health. Here are some things we must remember. Store water in a clean vessel. Keep water covered to prevent dust or insects from getting in. Close taps after use. Then do not waste water. Water is precious. So, save every drop of water. So now some get idea about water, the importance of water, then the sources of water. Then 3 steps you follow in your daily life. Okay children, again you read this chapter at your home. Thank you.